Activity Corporate Cultures Interview. Student Manuel Noguera Díaz, University Manuela Beltrán. Good morning. We meet the manager of our company who's going to help us answering some questions about their work during these 4 years. Welcome, Mr. Manuel. Thank you. What was the biggest challenge when you assumed the position of manager 4 years ago? The biggest challenge was to change the thinking of some people in the work team because they were used to doing their activities in a certain way. It is usually difficult to accept the change. What was your action plan to improve the attitude of the people? I started doing meetings in each area to promote teamwork and promote the practice of corporate values. This has helped me to motivate the workers. What has helped the company so that it has the good name it currently enjoys? We have tried to comply with clients, providing a good service, so we started a motivation plan for all employers in order to encourage their sense of belonging. How do you think you have managed to influence the corporate culture of the company? Since I joined this company, I have worked in training the employees to the corporate's objectives so that they feel the actions of these at their goals. What advance would you like to obtain at the corporate level versus the competition? I would like our company to be seen as the best in customer service. I want used to be above any company in this regard because I think that this is what allows customer loyalty and to achieve the proposed goals. What does the mission and vision of the company point to? But the mission and the vision of the company are aiming at the continuous improvement of the organization and its process so that by the year 2020 it will be considered as the best company at national level. What have been the values that determine the identity of your organization? The values that characterize this company are service, respect, loyalty, and trust. And I would also like to add teamwork. How do you want your employers to see you, like a boss or a leader? I want that they see me as their leader. In fact, I consider myself more a leader than a boss, because I like to interact with the workers and put myself at their level to know what they need to do a good job. If the objectives we propose for this year are achieved, how would you like to encourage workers to continue to develop their work in the best way? I would like that as a company we support the employers that want to study and give them the opportunity to assess and achieve their own objectives. In 2014, what has your personal goal when you started working in this company? What has he achieved? My personal goal has been my personal and professional growth and feel the satisfaction of making this company the best nationally. I think I am following my objective. Okay, thank you for your cooperation.